How to increase net worth in Monopoly Go. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the ways on how you can increase net worth in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. Actually, I have two ways to increase your net worth. The first one to increase your net worth is by upgrading your buildings and properties. Go to builds icon. Then here you want to upgrade one of these to be able to increase your net worth. Example, I'm gonna upgrade this one. And there you go. That is the first way. The second way that you can do is obviously play the game and complete the cover set. Of course, if you play this game and earn points, you can upgrade your properties and more. And that's how to increase net worth in Monopoly Go. I hope the video was really helpful, and it did help you. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.